Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. We will continue working on the basic command and AutoCAD. Now in this lecture we want to learn the fillet command. Okay, if we go to the slide number 12, we can go we can show the fillet command points that we need to learn and talk about it. Okay. Uh, so in the previous lecture we learned the chamfer and we show these 6 points about chamfer command, and we said that fillet and chamfer uh, comments are related together and are command uh, can show them here. Okay, from here chamfer, and we can select fillet like this. Okay, so we can, to do fillet, we can go directly to here, or we can type FIL on the keyboard. The fillet command, for example, if we have this point, this line, and we have line like this or like this here. Okay, if we go to FIL and we need let's before draw like this. Okay, and let's go to FIL. Now let's go to fillet command, and we go to radius, for example, and let's put a radius 15. Now let's select the first line and the second line. We can show here the fillet, the fillet command do. So we have here a radius corner instead of 90-degree corner. Okay, so let's go and increase the radius and put it 55, for example. So we can show here well now the difference between fillet and chamfer. Also, if we have a shape like this, okay, and we go to FIL and put radius, for example, first line, second line, we can join this two lines together with this corner with radius that we put using fillet method. Okay, and also the most important topic that we want to use fillet is for example, if we have a wall like this in our work, for example, and we have another wall here like this, and we need to join this wall and this corner together. Okay, we need to close this area and this wall, so we go to fillet, FIL, sorry, fillet. Okay, and we go to radius here, and we put 0 and the radius, and we select the first line here. Then here we must, let's go to Control Z, FIL. Okay, to be professional in the work, we do multiple. Okay, so second, and we do this for this. Okay, we must go, okay, FIL radius, we put 0, multiple, here and here. So we can use fillet to join the wall corner here, and we put radius for 0. So fill FIL radius, trim, add multiple radius equals 0. Also trim, so we can go to here, we can show also here, we can not do trim. If we have this shape and we go to fillet, we put here no trim, for example, and we go here and put, for example, radius 500, this line and this line so the software not to trim for this corner. Okay, so this is the fillet command. It's same for the chamfer command, but instead to put line here, we do a like a circle and the corner of any shape, and we can use it using radius equals 0 to join, for example, the corner of the walls or any shape that we want. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll continue on the next lecture.